Some of the terminologies used in the crypto world. All-time high. This is the highest price a certain coin recorded within a certain duration. All-time low. This is the lowest price a certain coin recorded within a certain duration. Bag holder. Refers to an investor who holds a large amount of underperforming coin. Decentralized finance, DeFi. This means financial activities conducted without the involvement of any control or intermediary body like banks or government. Decentralized applications, DApps. These applications run on the blockchain to carry out actions without third-party involvement. HODL, which stands for Hold On for Dear Life. It is slang that refers to investors who buy and hold a particular coin for so long. Initial coin offering, ICO, a way of raising funds for a new cryptocurrency. It is similar to the initial public offering of the stock market. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. They serve as a unit of value to represent ownership of unique digital items like art. DYOR, which stands for Do Your Own Research Before Investing in a Crypto Project. FOMO stands for Fear of Missing Out. It is a sort of anxiety felt when others are having a good time in price hikes, making you sell another shitcoin to buy into. Whales. Used to describe big players in the crypto markets. FUD equals fear, uncertainty, and doubt refer to information aimed at triggering people towards being pessimistic about the market. Airdrop. A sort of marketing strategy where a certain cryptocurrency is distributed to holders and audiences. Gas fee. A fee users have to pay to perform a transaction. It can be referred to as a transaction fee. Stablecoin. A cryptocurrency that is backed by fiat currency. Peer-to-peer. Means two users interacting directly without any intermediary. Bear market. A period in the market where the price of a coin falls and the market turns pessimistic. Bull market. A period in the market characterized by rising in the price of crypto.